Hello everyone. So now we have completed the sums, right? With question number 10. Now listen to me. Question number 11 and 12. Right? Both have same type of question as question number 10. So you will try to solve it on your own. Right? Now we are going to do answer number 30. If you have any confusion in that, you can ask to me, right? Okay, so now answer number 13. Find the point on the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1 at which the tangents are parallel to x axis. ठीक है, हमें क्या करना है? What we have to do, that is we have to find the point on the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1 at which the tangents are parallel to x axis. Okay, चलो, so tangents are parallel to x axis, but this is a curve is given. Now you see very carefully, this curve is a vertical ellipse, right? It is a ellipse, vertical ellipse, right? चलो, तो first one, ठीक है, first one we have to find tangents parallel to x axis. Means find the point at which on the curve at which first one at parallel to x axis. So for first one parallel to x axis, ठीक है, tangents parallel to x axis means slope of tangents to the curve will be 0, that we have studied. Tangents are parallel to x axis means that slope of tangents to the curve will be 0, means dy by dx will be 0. This was the thing we need to understand. चलो, तो now this y is given f of x. See, f of x is equal to y. Both are one and the same, right? This is y only and this is f of x only. So if we differentiate this, ठीक है, we can also write this as f dash of x equal to 0. ठीक है, here we can also write f dash of x equal to 0 and it is also equal to f of x, right? Both are one and the same. चलो, तो now what we are going to do, that is dy by dx equal to 0. So now differentiate this 2x by 9, right? This will be 2x by 9, 2y by 16 dy by dx equal to 0. ठीक है, 2 will be getting cancelled. Now dy by dx, if you find this, then dy by dx will be equal to minus 2x by 9 into 16 by 2y, means dy by dx equal to minus 16x by 9y equal to 0, means minus 16x by 9y equal to 0. ठीक है, चलो, तो now you listen. Now I am erasing this part, right? Right now you write down this in your notebook. चलो, तो minus 16x by 9y equal to 0, which means that minus 16x equal to 0 into 9y, that is 0, and x equal to 0. ठीक है, minus 16x by 9y equal to 0 means 9y into 0, that is 0. Minus 16x equal to 0 means x equal to 0. Minus 16 cannot be equal to 0, so x only is equal to 0. So x equal to 0. Now see, we will keep these in the curve. Okay, so we will get x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. In that we are going to keep this value. Okay, in that we are going to keep this. So let us write here x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1, 0. So y square by 16 equal to 1. means y square equal to 16, which means that y equal to plus or minus 4. ठीक है, we have just kept the value. ठीक है, x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. X equal to 0 keep in this, so 0 square by 9, that is 0 only. 0 plus y square by 16, so y square by 16 equal to 1. 16 into 1 16, y square equal to 16, so y equal to plus or minus 4, huh? Because minus 4 square also it is 16, plus 4 square also it is 16. ठीक है, चलो, तो we have got 2 points, 0, 4, 0, minus 4, right? This is 0, 4 and 0, minus 4. At these points, these are the points on which tangents are parallel to x-axis. ठीक है, 0, 4 and 0, minus 4. Now same way second is there, that is tangents parallel to y-axis, right? So if you have written this much, then I will erase the board right now. Okay, so if you have completed this all the part, then I am going to erase the board. So second part is there, that is tangents parallel to y-axis means, now listen, tangents are parallel to y-axis means slope of tangent will be equal to infinity, right? Slope of tangent equal to infinity, because tangents are parallel to y axis. ठीक है, tangents are parallel to y axis, therefore slope of tangent equal to infinity. चलो, तो now slope of tangent is what? dy by dx equal to infinity. चलो, अब हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? अब मेरी बात को सुनना ध्यान से, ठीक है? तो dy by dx equal to infinity means, can we write, see, you know that 1 by infinity equal to, yes, what is the meaning of 1 by infinity? 0. So can I write 1 by dy by dx equal to 0, because 1 by infinity equal to 0. dy by dx क्या है? Infinity तो है, 1 by infinity equal to 0, we can write. Now dy by dx we have already calculated dy by dx, that is what? 1 by minus 16x by 9y. We already know this. Now reciprocal I will do. So 1 by, so it will be 9y by 16x equal to 0. Here minus 9y equal to 0 means y equal to 0. We will get y equal to 0. Okay. Now if y equal to 0, then keep this 0 in that equation. Same step, right? Both the steps are same. That is x square by, this equation we have, that is x square by 9. X square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. So x square by 9 equal to 1. X square equal to 9. It double implies that x equal to plus or minus 3. If x equal to plus or minus 3, then 2 points we have. 3, 0 minus 3, 0. ठीक है? At these 2 points, tangents are parallel to y-axis. I hope that you understood it now. Clear? So this question was having 2 parts. चलो, तो now let us move to question number 14. ठीक है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, बहुत ही लेवल का क्वेश्चन है और बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है। चलो तो नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. You write down this in your notebook. Question number 14 we have, that is find the equation of tangents, find the equation of tangent and normals to the curve, to the given curves y equal to x power 4 minus 6. हाँ फर्स्ट पार्ट, सी फर्स्ट पार्ट में ये दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, फर्स्ट पार्ट इज गिवन, दैट इज y equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5, ठीक है, दिस इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. चलो दिस इज अ कर्व विच इज गिवन, राइट. now what we are going to do, ठीक है, we are supposed to find the equation of tangent and normal, right. चलो तो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी आई विल ड्रॉ अ रफ फिगर सो दैट यू विल कम टू नो. ठीक है, दिस इज टेंजेंट, दिस इज नॉर्मल एंड द पॉइंट विच इज गिवन दैट इज 0,5, राइट. चलो तो नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, नाउ यू नो दैट एट एनी पॉइंट ऑन कर्व वी डिफरेंशिएट देन वी गेट अ स्लोप. You know that at any point on a curve if we differentiate then we get a slope, that you know, right. So if we differentiate this y which is given, if we differentiate this, okay, then we are going to get a slope at 0,5, right. So dy by dx at 0,5 you will find dy by dx. So dy by dx we are going to find, that is 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10, ठीक है, दिस इज dy by dx. 4x cube minus 6 3 18x square plus 13 2 26x minus 10. Now if you keep here at 0,5, now suppose we keep at 0,5. So if we keep dy by dx at 0,5 means value of x is 0 and value of y is 5. Here all x. So instead of x we put 0 0 0. What is left? Minus 10. So dy by dx at 0,5 is equal to ठीक है. चलो ये तो हुआ फर्स्ट थिंग, स्लोप, ठीक है, हमारा कुछ आंसर अभी तक आया नहीं है, राइट. दिस वी हैव जस्ट गॉट स्लोप. नाउ सी वी हैव अ पॉइंट, वी हैव अ स्लोप, सो बाय पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म कैन वी डू y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So from this can I write y minus y1 is 5 equal to m, this is nothing but y into x minus 0. So y minus 5 equal to minus 10x, ठीक है. So that is nothing but 10x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is what we have got this. Yes, what is this? This is इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट, राइट। चलो, now same way we are going to find equation of normal, but to find equation of normal we will first find slope of normal। तो देखो भाई, सिंपल सी चीज है, slope of tangent whatever is that you do, it's yes what we have to do, actually slope of normal is equal to minus, जनरली क्या होता है, slope of tangent into slope of normal is equal to -1। तो -10 में हम क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो -1 आएगा, मीन्स इन शॉर्ट सी आई विल गिव यू द फॉर्मूला, यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नोट डाउन दिस इन योर नोट, यू राइट डाउन दिस इन योर नोट, ओके। चलो, तो स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल is equal to -1 upon slope of tangent -1 by -10. This double implies that it is equal to 1/10, ठीक है। चलो, now equation, its equation will be y minus y1, the point is same 0,5, m is 1/10, x minus 0, so 10y minus 50 equal to x, so x minus 10y plus 50 is equal to 0. This we are going to get, that is equation of normal, ठीक है। तो यहाँ तक हमने किया, that is first one, ये जो कर्व दिया था y equal to x⁴ minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5, so we have found slope of tangent, slope of normal, means we have found out slope of tangent, equation of tangent, slope of normal and equation of normal, ठीक है। आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टूड फर्स्ट पार्ट। देखो, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ पार्ट जो है वो सेम एज इट इज, यू विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व ऑन योर ओन। जो फिफ्थ पार्ट है, ठीक है, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू बिकॉज इट इज गिवन पैरामेट्रिकली कनेक्टेड, ठीक है, तो वो मैं करवाऊंगा, राइट, फिफ्थ वन। बट सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व ऑन योर ओन, एंड एनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन विच आई एम गिविंग इट एज ए होमवर्क, if you are having any confusion then you can ask, right? So now fifth one, in this only, fifth one is there, x equal to cos t, y equal to sin t, at t equal to π/4, we want to find it at t equal to π/4, ठीक है। सेम थिंग। चलो, तो यू नो दैट सेम थिंग वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू फाइंड dy/dx, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले तो एक काम करेंगे, ठीक है। सी, आई विल गिव यू वन रफ आइडिया, राइट, वन रफ आइडिया आई विल गिव यू हाउ टू डू इट। ये जो थिंग होती है, ठीक है, suppose it is t, then this point will be cos t comma sin t. This you know, right? This is t, okay, this is t. If this is t, then that point is cos t comma sin t. चलो, तो x is given, y is given and t is equal to π/4, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक काम करते हैं, ठीक है, dy/dx फाइंड करते हैं, बट लिसन, फर्स्ट वी नीड टू फाइंड dx/dt एंड dy/dt, ठीक है, देन वी विल डिवाइड। तो dx/dt to minus sin t and dy/dt equal to cos t, तो dy/dx equal to dy dy by dt dx by dt, that is nothing but cos t by minus sin t, which is nothing but minus of cot t. ठीक है, we have got this minus of cot t, but listen, it is given at t equal to pi by 4. So dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4 equal to minus of cot pi by 4, that is nothing but -1. ठीक है, which is nothing but -1. tan pi by 4 is 1, so cot pi by 4 also 1 by 1, and minus sign, so minus, right? चलो, तो now everything we have got, slope we have, हाँ, but listen, point कौन सा रहेगा? Point will be cos pi by 4 sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is what? 1 by 2. Sin pi by 4 1 by 2. हाँ, तो अब हमारे पास पॉइंट भी है, स्लोप है, ठीक है. नाउ लिसन, दिस इज स्लोप, दिस इज पॉइंट. अब आपको क्या करना है? सेम थिंग दैट वी हैव डन इन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन बाय यूजिंग पॉइंट्स लॉ फॉर्म. ठीक है, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Point is there 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Slope is there -1. You find out. Okay, equation of normal and equation. First you find equation of tangent, then you find equation of normal, right? Then you find slope of normal, and then you find, first you find equation of tangent, ठीक है? Then you find slope of normal and you find equation of normal, ठीक है? You will get the equation. तो आपको equation of tangent मिलेगी x plus y minus root 2 equal to 0, and equation of normal मिलेगी x minus y equal to 0. तो I hope that this much is clear to you, right? चलो, तो that's it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.